Wordify language through form, meaning, and use. Hello and welcome to another new word, linguistics. It's singular noun and it means science of language. In other words, we can also say scientific study of language. For example, I have great interest in the subject of linguistics. Linguistics is a complicated subject. What is to be noted is that the CS at the end is very important. We should always pronounce it as linguistics if you refer it as the name of a subject, not linguistic. That is a different grammatical category. We have the word linguistic. When you say linguistic, it refers to as an adjective without S. So delete S. For example, linguistic concepts are essential to understand a language. So look at the difference between the sound S at the end. When you add sound S, linguistics, it's singular noun. When you remove the sound S, it is adjective of linguistics. That is to say linguistic. Many students make a mistake in pronouncing this word. We have another word, linguist. It's noun, but it refers to a person who studies linguistics. Hope you understand the word. Thank you and goodbye. Wordify language through form, meaning, and use.